This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Mary Edwards. Immaculate one-level 3-bedroom patio home in Sherwood Green. You will be impressed with the condition, location and open floor plan of this hard-to-find 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath 1,276 square feet patio home with a 1-car garage in Popular Sherwood Green. Surrounded by well-maintained green space, the private brick-walled patio and guest parking are just a few steps away. The generous-sized 17x13 living room features plenty of space for furniture arrangement and personal decor. The light and bright kitchen boasts lots of cabinets and counter space, range and refrigerator, tile floors and a breakfast bar. The light-filled 10x11 dining room adjoins the kitchen, and the conveniently located laundry and half bath are just steps away. The 3 bedrooms are in a separate wing and have easy access to the full hall bath. There is plenty of closet space and storage in this well-designed home. Additional amenities include attic storage with a pull-down ladder, cabinet space ready for a dishwasher, carefree living, community swimming pool, tennis courts and a clubhouse. Must be seen to be appreciated. For more